Hello friends, this is the continuation of our series VB6. In this tutorial we will learn about option box or radio button in VB6. So let's start. Create a new project. Then resize the form. Here, as you know, radio button is said so because of its behavior. This is the radio button control. If you put your mouse cursor on it, it will show the tooltip saying option button here. Then put its caption to bold. Then put up another button and set its caption to italic. They exhibit one characteristic that only one of those buttons can be selected. Then put the caption with third button to underline. Then put up a command button and set its caption to click me. Here our aim is when we click on one of these buttons, that is first when we click on the bold radio button, the caption or the text of the command button will be changed to the bold. Then if we click on the italic radio button, then the text will be changed accordingly. So click on the command button. Then if option 1 dot value is equal to true, then command 1 dot font bold is equal to true. Else if option 1 dot option 2 dot value is equal to true, then command 1 dot font italic is equal to true. Else set underline is equal to true. Command dot font underline is equal to true. Then do not forget to end the if. Then run the program. Here, when you click on italic, and selected radio button is italic, the style is changed. Here you can see the underline here. If you click on bold and then click the button, the text is changed to bold. So this was a tutorial introducing you with radio buttons in VB6. Thank you.